and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today we are going to be unboxing the April 2020 PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. Now this box is super heavy and it feels like it is stuffed to the max, so I'm super excited to see what's inside. If you're unfamiliar with the PreCuts boxes, they are monthly subscription boxes for sewing and quilting. I'll put a link for you can get them in the description box below right here, but they have this classic box, which is what I have. They also have, I think, a table runner box and a stash builder box, which is just straight fabric. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside. So the first thing in the boxes is always this information pamphlet, and it tells you everything that's come in your box. It tells you retail prices, and then a little bit about this month's curator, and this one is Robin Pickens, sorry. So here is a little biography of her on the back of the card, and it says Abbey Rose was designed as a sister collection of blushing peonies. I have to say I have not seen any of her fabric lines before, so this is definitely a new line to me, but I'm looking at it over here and it is beautiful, so I'll tell you a little bit more about it when we get there. Also, if you share pictures of your boxes online, make sure to use hashtag PreCuts Quilt Box or PreCuts Quilt Shop, and then you're automatically entered to win the next month's box for free. So super cool. So first off in our box are these Class A quilting needles. This is size 90-14. This is the size that I always use as well. It says ideal for piecing and quilting layers of cotton fabrics with batting, and strengthens shaft and also helps reduce the needle deflections as the needle penetrates multiple layers of fabric. And it retails for $4.49. And this is the size I use. I have never tried this brand before though, so I'm interested to try this and see how they do in my machine. I have a Juki TL2000. So the next cute little thing in our box here is this duo notepad set with pin, and it's called Busy Bee, and it says make a great companion to take notes, reminders. Also contains a magnetic pad that can be stuck to all metallic surfaces. So here's kind of the front with the cute little pin in it, and then here's the metallic or the magnetic backing on there. Pretty good sized pads as well, you guys, and cute little gold pin in there too. So, and I'm not sure if I said, but it retails for $12. So this next pattern I think is so cute. It is called the Town Square Garden Quilt Pattern. It looks like it finishes at 54.5 or 54.5, so perfect for a little wall hanging or even a small throw for your couch. The pattern itself retails for $10, and it's by Robin Pickens. And then there's a couple other little versions of it on the back there. And this pattern just looks absolutely adorable, and it does look like it has two sizes actually, 35.5 by 35.5 or 54 by 54. So, and I have a feeling that it's going to be going with the fabric that I'm about to show you. So here is the huge bundle of fabric that came in this month's box, you guys. And this one on the bottom here is Porcelain Bella Solid. It looks like it's 9,900, 182, and it's 2.5 yards of fabric. It's saying it's retailing for $21.25. And then here is the main print fabric. This is a fat quarter for your center, 5 companion fat quarters, and then also there's a half yard of the Abbey Rose in Early Dawn for binding. So you basically have enough fabric to do this entire quilt pattern right here. And I'll go ahead and show you these fabrics a little bit closer. So there's this really pretty large print floral. These look like maybe little roses. Here's a nice bright pink floral, an orange floral. Here's kind of like a gingham checked box thing. Some more peonies and roses maybe, or maybe they're just peonies from the side. I don't know. Super cute though. And then here is the fabric they put in for the binding, and like I said, that was a half a yard. The binding is saying retailing for $6.50, and this bundle of fat quarters is retailing for $21. So here's all that fabric again. It is definitely a nice big pile of fabric, and like I said, you have, it looks to me like enough fabric to make this entire quilt front. You would just need some fabric for your backing, but it has the white background, and then it has the binding and everything, so super nice. And then shipping for this month's box they're saying was $8.85. That puts this box value at $84.09. So that's it for this month's unboxing, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I do want to say that I've been really pleased overall with the contents of the PreCuts Classic Quilt boxes. They're a little bit pricier than some of the other boxes that I do. However, I feel like they do a really good job at packing their boxes full of products. So leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite product from this month's unboxing was. If you have any questions, also leave those below as well, and I will do my best to get back with you. And if you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. That way I know to keep making them for you. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. So if you're interested to see what's inside, And there's a strange lady walking out in front of my window out there. She's watching me film. Okay. What? I don't know. I can't tell if she's looking at the house or waiting for a dog. So, I always use 90. Oh, was that upside down? It's upside down. Let's try this. That's Jax trying to come in. Hi, Jaxie. I write down all kinds of things on these, so yeah. Did I say what a real tail is for? Oh. Film. Take 2. What is that? I want to say overall I've been really pleased with what's Seriously? I'm trying to film a video, dude. Can you perhaps, you know, just maybe move a little bit? Go. Skedaddle.